Taiga Biome by Zichri and Miguel. Where on earth is the taiga biome found? The taiga biome is found in North America and Eurasia. The taiga biome is also the largest terrestrial biome and extends across the continents of Europe, North America, and Asia, and is also located right below the tundra biome.
4 animals and 4 plants. 4 animals include foxes, owls, snakes, and hawks. 4 plants include balsam fir, jackpine, Douglas fir, and black spruce.
Taiga's seasonal changes. The winters are very cold, long, and snowy with little precipitation. The forests have little precipitation, and the summer days are very long.
What makes taiga great? If you like ice skating, ice fishing, hiking, wildlife watching, skiing, and many other snow-related activities, taiga is the place for you. Although the winters are cold and long, the summers are warm but short. So if you're a winter person, taiga is the place for you.